Hey, it's me, C, and welcome back to my channel. Hey you guys, how you doing? It has been a little minute since I've come to you with a quick little video, and today we are going to do something real cute because honestly I've been doing a lot of beauty, makeup sort of things, and I'm ready to shake it back up and get back into a fashion. Okay, so today we will be unboxing this baby right here. This is my, I believe it's pronounced Kuei Bag by Brandon Blackwood. Okay, this is a luxury black owned bag. Okay, a luxury black owned. Luxury black owned. Okay, anyway, so I did get this for Christmas. Yes, I know I'm super late in unboxing it. I haven't even taken this baby girl out, but today is the day. I had a cute little outfit on, and I said, you know what, it's time to pull her out. So as you can see, it comes in this duster here. And it comes in like a basic black box, but we didn't need to see that. And then it comes with a cute card that reads, "Thank you so much for shopping the brand. I hope you love your new items as much as I love designing them. Can't wait to see how you style it. Love, Brandon Blackwood." So that is that. And then you just pull it out of the bag. And voila, there she goes. Now, before I go into the details of the bag, I wanted to show you guys how in the duster, it's a little, what is this? It's like cardboard, right? And it's two pieces that kind of curve. So when you're storing your bag, it keeps that firm shape because, you can put your bag in a duster all day, but it might not always keep that hard shape that we like. So yes, here she is again. Super cute. So when you first open it up, obviously you can see it has these two little handles. So cute. And you guys, I'm really into mini bags. That's like my thing. I'm not a big purse girl, so I love mini purses, mini bags, all the things. Okay, so then you have the detailing right here and a zipper. Yes, the zipper works. Yes, you can unzip it all the way. And then you have the Brandon Blackwood New York right here. Very authentic, baby, very authentic. You never know how much this is going to cost in 5-10 years. You never know. So this is the back, this is the front. Thumbnail. Okay, anyway, so then you can go ahead and open the bag. And you see this little flap. That's one thing I do love about this bag. With other mini bags, sometimes you don't have that flap that, you can cover and close and protect your things. And there we have a strap. Pretty long. And of course, you can clamp it on the inside. You see, there's one clamp there, one clamp there. And you can carry it across the body, on the shoulder. Honestly, I prefer to carry my bags just like so. But I will keep that in there just because you never know. Okay, so I took out the stuffing, but I am going to keep it. Like I said, I like to keep the shape of my bags. And as you can see, there is the Brandon Blackwood logo. Well, not really logo, but stitching right in there. And then you have a little pocket if you want to put cards and things in there. Super cute. And then, also this flap has a little button here to kind of just clamp it right there, like so, to ensure your things won't just go flying in the wind. Super cute, you see? So cute. So it does say that the handles here are hand sewn and they are double stitched. I'm not gonna lie, the quality here is very, very good. Beautiful quality. Ooh, I just love, like, I feel like a little cute little rich auntie, you know what I'm saying? And of course, you know, this is leather, so we have to be careful with how we care for it and treat it. It does say that you can spot clean it. Of course, not machine washable, like it's not built for that, baby. Just spot clean it, get a little spot, just rub it on. And although this is leather, this is vegan leather, baby. Vegan. So it's not really leather, but you know, vegan leather. And this texture is so beautiful. I know you could probably see the texture. Love that. Look at it. It's just everything. And then the inside is obviously lined with fabric or cotton, it feels like. So that's awesome. This bag is literally just everything. I know it's a really, you know, easy unboxing, super quick and crazy, but I just love it. I'm gonna also, like, you know, do some close-ups and slow-mos and just show you guys just images and videos of the bag, you know, at the end or whatever, because that's why you're here. It's really not too many details to be spoken on when it comes to this bag. We can talk about the ordering process. For me, it was a gift. So I do know that it was supposed to be a Christmas gift, but it came very, very late. I think it came January something, I believe, which is okay. But yeah, right now this bag is actually sold out, so you're not getting this bag until it comes back, I guess, if it ever does. I'm happy I got mine. Because when I first found out about Brandon Blackwood, this is the first bag that I really wanted. So I'm super happy that my mommy got it for me for Christmas, my mom and my dad. So I was like, y'all listen. This bag retails for $105. Now, just like our Telfeezies, our Telfair bags, there are people who sell them on the internet for way more money. So if you really want one, can you go and rebuy it from a reseller? Of course. I personally, that's not something I wanted to do. I wanted, you know, our dollars to go back into the owners, the Black-owned luxury brand, because, you know, it's important. A lot of times these bots and people just go on the website and just order hella bags and just resell them for triple the price. So I mean, I get it how you live, you gotta make your money, but I'd rather just buy directly from the person. If I can't get it, then maybe it just wasn't meant this go around for me. I am very much so like a collector, and I really want to start my handbag collection, and why not start with luxury Black-owned bags. So of course I have this one, and I have 3 Telfairs, Telfar, however you pronounce it, and I'll definitely do unboxing and you know, like style haul videos with that. So if you're interested in that, make sure you leave me a comment down below. Did you have your eye on it as well? Were you able to get one, and how did you style it? Like, it's so beautiful. I love her. What should we name her? I mean, she already has a name, but I mean, like, you know how Saweetie names her Birkins? Like, what are we gonna name this baby? Like, oh, and I forgot to mention that the bottom of the bag has these little, I don't even know what you call these, but it has this here. So when you sit on the table, your bag isn't ever directly on the table per se, you know? So love that. Make sure you follow me on Instagram so you can see this full outfit and how I styled this bag, or my outfit with this bag, but this bag is the main feature, of course. You already know my Instagram. If you don't know my Instagram, it is piecesof.c, and I would love to see you there. Let's chat. Let's talk about it in these comments, on the Instagram DMs, whatever, girl. Let's just talk about it. If you are new to my channel, I really hope you enjoyed this video and you consider subscribing and joining the gang, joining the squad. We don't have a name yet, but it's cool. We cool, we sisters, you know? So make sure you hit that thumbs up button, smash it. Comment down below, let me know your thoughts on this bag and all that, and subscribe and turn that post notification bell on, because you don't want to miss anything that we have coming. And with all that being said, thank you for tuning in. I'll see you in the next video. Me and my bag.